Hello my dear fellow option traders and day traders, welcome to 6th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing a 58.5 points down move at the level of 11,702 levels, and US markets have done pretty great for itself on Friday. That is 197 points up on DowJones and 127 points up on Nasdaq and 28 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will surely open in red in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Indian markets is actually going through a very good resistance at the level of 11,760. It tries to break it and close above that. It is not possible to, and there were two candles which closed above that. However, because of a huge resistance which it has caused, it has never been able to break it and stay above that for even one day. So that being said, let us see what Indian markets has to offer in supports and resistances. The supports being, the first level of support is 11,700 itself, which probably seems like it will be broken in the pre-open itself. If 11,700 is broken, 11,672 is a strong level of support. If that is broken, 11,650, 11,615 and 11,600, 11,596 levels, 11,567 levels, and the levels of 11,534 and 11,500 itself is a very strong support for the market as of now. What are the resistances? Only three as of now: 11,760 and 11,800 and 11,860. Those are the levels of resistances you have to watch out for in today's and upcoming sessions. So what is fast stochastic denoting? Fast stochastic is at 52 and slow stochastic is at 59, which means that both are not in the overbought zone, not in the oversold zone. They are in the midst of both of it. It may this shows that the market may go upwards or downwards from here onwards. So MACD suggests that it is at the level of 89.56, suggesting there is totally no momentum in the market for the market to blast upwards. That's what MACD is suggesting. So that's the technical knowledge for yourself, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, plus one strategy which is making about 50 to 100% return on the day of expiry. So that is happening this weekend on Saturday and Sunday in 91 Springboards Residency Road. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below now and see you there. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.